If you're experiencing FPS drops in Overwatch 2, optimizing your settings and system can help improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu, select the video settings, and reduce options like texture quality, shadow detail, and effects quality to improve FPS. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers to enhance performance and compatibility. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Overwatch 2 to utilize more of your CPU and RAM for better performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for performance. Go to System Properties, select the Advanced tab, and under Performance choose Adjust for best performance. This will disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 5. Check hardware performance. Monitor your hardware performance using tools like Task Manager or MSI Afterburner. Ensure your CPU and GPU are not overheating and that your system meets the game's recommended specifications. Consider upgrading hardware if necessary. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.